Alright, here's another fan. This is a Lasko 20-inch box fan. The model number is 3723. This one is from the year 2004 to 2005. I have another one that I made over a year ago on a video. That one's from 2007 to 2008, I'm pretty sure. This one's a little more older. What I really like to find is from 98 to 99 or 99 to 2000. That's the year that I really like to find someday, where it uses the bigger, I think it's Marco motor in them. This one does not have the Marco motor in it. It uses the smaller motors. Yeah, it's in pretty good shape. Handle is still there. Rust isn't really too bad. So yeah, we'll go ahead and look this fan over and we'll turn it on. Here's the front. Side. These were the very few last years when they still had the hose on the side for a stand. I'm not sure when around the time they stopped using those. Here's the back. This design here was meant for the bigger motors they had in these for a little while. And but they've never changed this design until around, I think, maybe the 2006 model. And this whole badge here is like blocking most of the vents of this motor. It's kind of ridiculous, but that's how it was for a little while on these, until they redesigned it around, I think, 2006 or something. Here's the bottom. $37.23. I don't know if I'll be able to read this. It's not stamped that very well. See the year a little bit. It's not really stamped that well, but I can read it though. It's from 2004 to 5. Here's the plug. This is when they started using these fuse plugs, these earlier models, these early 2000s. Alright, go ahead, plug this in. And we'll start with low. Pretty quiet, and it blows a really good amount of air. Go to medium. and high. Pretty strong airflow. And off. And there you have it. Lasko 20-inch box fan, model 3723 from 2004 to 5.